Good morning. It's Friday. It's Friday. Okay, don't sing because if I sing, they're going to copyright me. All right, so here we go. Our math lesson yesterday, we were trying to find the least common denominator. So we have a 2 and a 10 in my denominator section here. So I'm going to switch. I'm going to do 2, do the multiples of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Oh, I hit it. 10, 10. So there's my lowest common multiple, which means I have to multiply a half, 1 and 2 here by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and that just stays the same. So this is going to turn into 1 times 5 is 5 over 10 plus 3 over 10. Okay, if I add those up, I keep the bottom the same. I add the tops. 8/10. Nice snowman. All right, we look at this one. 3/8 plus 3/4. We can't add them because the denominators don't match. So I gotta find the greatest common, least common denominator. So I put 4 here. 4, 8. Oh, I hit it already. 8, 8. There's my lowest common denominator. That means 3/8 will stay the same. And I multiply 4 by 2 to get to 8, and 3 by 2 to get to 8 for 6 over 8, which equals 9 over 8. Okay? Good. Here we go. Now, I got 4 7s plus 12, 21s, 21s. So that's a strange one. So I'm going to find the multiples of 7, 7, 14, 21. Oh, I hit 21. 21's the first one. That's good. There's my least common multiple. So that means I have to multiply 7 by 1, 2, 3, 4 times 3. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So that means 4 times 3 is 12. 12 over 21 plus 12 over 21 equals 24 over 21. Nice. Okay, here we have 3/5 plus 13/20. I gotta find the least common multiple. And I go 5 multiples, 5, 10, 15, 20. Oh, I hit it. 20 is gonna be the first one. 20. There's my least common multiple. Draw my little peanut around it. What do I multiply 5 by to get to 20? 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So this turns into 3 times 4 is 12 over 20 plus 13 over 20. I add the tops. That equals 25 over 20. All right? Easy peasy. Well, maybe not easy peasy, but not super hard. Okay. Let's look at this one. So now here we have both of them. We're going to have to do both work here, Max. Let's look over here. So I have a 1/3 plus 3/4. I'm going to find my multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. I'll stop there and see if I hit one. 4, 8, 12. Oh, I hit 12. There we go. So I want to get to 12. Both these I want to be 12. I have to multiply 3 by 4. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. I have to multiply 4 by 1, 2, 3. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. So I'll rewrite them. 1 times 4 is 4. Over 3 times 4 is 12. Plus 3 times 3 is 9. 4 times is 12. 9 plus 4 is 13 over 12. Easy? Well, not easy, but understandable. All right, so let's do 5 and 2. 2 and 5. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Let's see if I hit it. 5, 10. Oh, I hit 10. There's my lowest common multiple. Make my little peanuts. Okay, so what do I do to get to multiply 5 to get to 10? Multiply it by 2. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 times 5. 1 times 5. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 4 times 2 is 8 over 10 plus 5 times 1 is 5 over 10. 8 plus 5 is 13 over 10. Okay. So now I have 5 6 plus 2/3. Find the common denominator of 6 and 3. So 6. No, you know what? I see 6. I know what's going to happen here. 3, 6. Oh, look, I hit it real early. That's nice. I don't even have to move 6. So 5 6 will stay the same because the bottom's already the same. It's already a 6. The denominator's already a 6. So I'm going to make 3 a 6. Multiply by 1, 2. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 6, 2 times 2 is 4, equals 5 plus 4 is 9 over 6. Okay, last one today. We have a quarter plus 2/5. So I've got to find the multiples of 4, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. And I'm going to stop right there. I'm going to do 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Oh, look, there's 20 right there. All right, drawing my little peanut around there. So there's my common multiple, lowest common multiple, lowest common denominator. What do I multiply 4 by to get to 20? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. 1 times 5 is 5. Okay, multiply 5 but to get to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiply by 4. 2 times 4. Whatever I do to the bottom, I do to the top. That's 8 over 20. So 5 plus 8 is equal to 13 over 20. All right, so that's your homework that was your homework yesterday. So Max, you got a little shot there to make sure. You want to double check your work. You're gonna do it slow. Okay, maybe I'll take a picture of it. We'll take a picture of it too and put it up on Instagram. Sound good, Max?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so this is your homework for the weekend. Okay, just like it's Friday, so we're going to do some data management. So we're going to do my very average footwear. So your job is to run around your house, find all the footwear you can in your house. So we've got shining. You might need to wear a COVID mask running around collecting these because they're going to be pretty stinky. But so we got a skate, we got a shoe, we got 2 shoes. So go around and find the shoes you can find, okay? Then when you find a shoe, you don't have to collect them anywhere. Look inside and get the shoe size. Be consistent. You can do the US men's, you can do the US women's, you can do the Euro, you can do the centimeter, you can do the UK. I don't care which one you use, but be consistent. So we're going to pick the US one. Okay, so we're going to go US. So, okay, so then you record all of them. So I'll do it right down here. So what do I have there? I had a 9.5, a 9.5. What'd you have there, Max? What size is that one? Oh, we got a USA 8. See it there?
Yep.
Okay, I got a USA 8, so I'll record it. I got a skate here. In the skate, I got a US 4. I'm going to put a 4 down. And then we have one last shoe, Miss Monahan's shoe. Oh, the size has disappeared.
Which one you want?
Oh, you got another one?
Yeah, it was weird.
Got another one? Oh, you can see the size in this one. And it is a size 9. Alright, so a size 9. Alright, so you're going to have much more. We're going to have much more. But if I went and collected all the shoes, we'd be here all day. We have a lot of kids. So, collect all the shoe sizes. Now, we're going to get into problems if you have youth sizes and you have adult sizes. You can either ignore it, or you can just separate them and just do adults and youth. So I'm just going to do adults. We have no youth in our thing. So 9.5, 8, 4, 9. So you have to find the mean. Remember the mean? Well, the mean, you would have to add these up, add the sizes together, and then divide the sum, which is the answer, by how many shoes we have. So I have 4 shoes here. So I go 9.5 plus 9 is 18.5. 18.5 plus 8 is 26.5. 26.5 plus 4 is 30.5. So if I add all these up, I get 30.5. And I should divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me get my calculator. Max has the phone, so I can't use that. So we go 30.5 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers. I add together. No, I did that wrong. 30 decimal 5 divided by 4. 7.625. So that's my mean. That's my average mean size of shoe. It's a 7 point. That seems about right. Right? It's not higher than any of these numbers. It's in between all these numbers. Now, if we do the range of my shoes, I take the biggest number, which is a 9.5, and I subtract it by the smallest number. So my biggest number is a 9.5. I'm going to subtract it by 4, and I get an answer of 5.5. So the range is 5.5. I have a range of sizes, 5.5 sizes. Last one, mode, most popular shoe size. I don't have one. If I went and found more of my shoes, I'd probably end up with more 9.5s. Went and found Miss Max's shoes. He has more 8s. So you're going to get, my mode's not going to work here. Okay? So that's your homework or your work for the weekend. You can work on mean, range, and mode. What's the one we're missing?
Huh?
What's the average we're missing?
Median.
Median. Median would be dumb. Like you'd have all these numbers all lined up and then find the one in the middle. It's not going to help us today. Okay? But if you want, you can do the median. Okay? All right, so that's our math for the weekend, and so we'll get more math on Monday, and we'll see you in a bit. We'll do some art, some gym, and some Miss Monahan's going to read. All right, yay math.